Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome. If you're here to learn how to make a pie chart directly in Notion, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly visualize your data with a pie chart using just a few clever steps in Notion's built-in tools. This is perfect for tracking anything from survey results to personal budgets or just making your information pop for reports or presentations. Let's get straight into it. First things first, open up your Notion workspace. This is your main dashboard where you keep your pages, databases, and all the information you care about. If you're new to Notion, this is simply where you organize and store everything, sort of like your digital notebook or command center. You can use any existing page, or if you'd like a clean slate, just create a new page for this pie chart demonstration. Now, in the empty space of your page, we'll start by adding a special block. Type a / that / right from your keyboard. Notion will pop up a quick menu for you. This is how you add all sorts of blocks like headings, images, or even code snippets. To make a pie chart, we'll use something called Mermaid, which is a type of simple code that lets us visualize data in charts and diagrams. So after you type / start typing mer. You should see code Mermaid appear as one of the options. Go ahead and select that. When you do, Notion adds a code block that's specifically designed for creating diagrams. It looks a bit technical at first, but don't worry, you don't need any programming skills for this. We're going to break it down step by step together. At the top of this Mermaid code block, you'll see a label or placeholder. Replace whatever's there with the word pie. This tells Notion's Mermaid tool that the chart you want to create is a pie chart, not something like a flowchart or graph. Setting this up correctly is important because Mermaid needs to know what kind of visualization you're aiming for. Think of this like telling your kitchen appliances you want them to bake, not fry. Directly underneath where you wrote pie, you'll start entering your data in a very simple format. Each data point goes on its own line, just like a grocery list. For example, you might type, dogs 100, cat 50, snake 10. Each item in quotes is your category, and the number after the colon is the size or value. So maybe you're keeping track of pets in your neighborhood, or you're dividing a budget between different expenses. The numbers are relative. Mermaid will automatically calculate the proportions and display them visually. If your categories or numbers look different, just change them to match your own data. Once you've entered your data, pause for a moment. Double-check your spelling, punctuation, and format. It's essential that each label is inside quotes, followed by a colon and then your number. Don't worry if it's not perfect the first time, Notion won't break, and you can always fix any typos. With those entries typed in, Notion will instantly generate your pie chart right within the page. You'll see colorful segments, each representing your data, giving you a clear snapshot of how each category compares to the others. This is a fantastic way to bring numbers to life, whether you're a project manager, a student, or just trying to keep your tasks organized. And that's really all there is to it. You can update the chart anytime by editing the code block. Maybe your numbers change, or you want to track a new category, just tweak what you wrote, and your chart updates automatically. Thanks for watching this quick step-by-step guide. If you found it helpful, please tap that like button and consider subscribing for more Notion tips and tutorials. Got a question or want to share how you're using pie charts in Notion? Drop a comment below. I love seeing your ideas and helping out where I can. Until next time, happy charting.